previous lecture, we learn about Python introduction, installation, features of Python, applications of Python. Now we are going to see the variables in Python. So variables is nothing but the values which we are stored in the variable. So variable is very important in Python because the there are some rules of variables, and that rules are very important for programming. First rule is a variable should always starts with alphabet. A variable should always starts with alphabet. Second rule is there should not be a space between variable. Third rule is variable should not contain a special character like dollar, module, and hashtag, at the rate, like the special characters. Fourth but not the least is very important. Fourth rule is very important because variable has to be specified on a LHS only. These rules are very much important for variable. You have to think about this variable. First rule is what? A variable should always start with alphabet. Alphabet is nothing but the variable. Okay. So it's always start with alphabet or variable. Second is there should not be a space. There should not be a space between this because Python is having indentation error. If I space and run it, it will giving me output, but it's not work in a program. Actual program में हम indentation error को face करेंगे. So there should not be a space between a variable. Third variable is variable should not contain a special character. Special character is like @ or hashtag, like this. If I run this, it will giving me a syntax errors, invalid syntax. So special character is not having. The fourth rule is variable has to be specified on LHS. LHS means left hand side. Left hand side, the J is there and J is having a 2. So LHS means J and J is a variable. Okay, so these are the rules. So this is called variable assigning. I will assign one variable, that is J. In this variable, I assign this number 2. So that's why it's giving me a output as a 2. Now we are going to see print function. This is an inbuilt function in Python. It will giving me output as a hello world. If I not giving hello world in double quotes, what will be happen? It will giving me syntax error. Why? Because this is a character and we don't have space between variable like hello like this, so we don't have. And why is this giving me syntax error? Because we are not adding double quotes. Why? Because these are the string, this is not an integer. That's why the hello world is not printed. If I run this now, it will giving me output as a hello world. If I uh, take one and run, it will printing without double quotes. Why? Because it is an integer. That's why it will giving me one as output. We can also do multiplication, addition, 8, and power also we can use like this. This is a variable assignment. Now we are going to see the multiple variable assignment. And these are the operators which we are going to see in next lectures. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you really like my channel and if you're really getting what I'm learning to you, so it's it's very means a lot to me. So keep supporting guys. Now we are going to see the multiple variable assignment. So basically multiple variable assignment is what? We are going to assign two variables. I want 3. I also print. This is a multiple. If I run this, why is not giving me 4? Because we are not assign variable C. That's why. Now we are going to run this. Now it's giving me a 4. So this is a multiple variable assignment. Now we are going to see the variable swapping. So basically swapping का meaning क्या है? Swap करना मतलब अदल बदल. Like अभी मैंने a is equals to 12 and b is equals to 18, right? So now I want a as a 18 and b as a 12. So how it is possible? It is possible because of this. Why? Why because of this logic? Because equal to this is a sign operator. Okay, this is a sign operator. We are assign a as a b and b as a. This is not equal operator, right? In Python this is not a equal operator. This is a assign operator. This is a sign operator. I'm mentioning a sign operator is this, and equal to operator is this. This is a double, that is when equal to, and this is the assign operator. So we are assigning a as a b and b as a a. Now I print the value of a is a and print the value of b is b. If I run this, I getting this output, that is a is 18 but the a is 12, right? That is mean it's swap. So this is a swapping. So now we are going to see three variable swapping. I get in this is a two variable swapping, right? Now we are going to see the three variable swapping. Three variables x, y, z. X is equals to 8, y is equals to 3, z is equals to y. Now y is what? 3 and z is equals to y. तो y का वैल्यू 3 है, राइट? तो z इज इक्वल्स टू y है. तो z का वैल्यू क्या हो गया, 3 हो गया. नाउ y इज इक्वल्स टू x. x का वैल्यू क्या है, 8 है. तो y का वैल्यू क्या हो गया, 8. नाउ x इज इक्वल्स टू z. z का वैल्यू क्या है अभी, 3 है. तो x का वैल्यू क्या हो गया, 3. दैट इज वेरिएबल, 3 वेरिएबल स्वैपिंग. So x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 8. Now we are going to see the variable swapping in two variable swapping. Two variable swapping. Two variable swapping with addition, with the with the operator. Okay, these are the operators like plus, minus, into. These are the operators. So यहाँ मैंने इनपुट से यहाँ मैंने यूजर से इनपुट लेने के लिए इनपुट फंक्शन यूज किया है. सो P में फर्स्ट नंबर, A में सेकंड नंबर. P is equals to P plus A is equals to P minus A, and P is equals to P minus A. Okay. Then print the value of P, and the value of A is A. If I run this and if I add 7, enter. Second value 4. Sorry, 4. Okay, 5. And enter. The value of P is 5 and the value of A is 7. Right? This is a variable swapping. So that's it for today. Bye bye, guys.